Yeah. Drought free. Yeah. Bitch, I'm back on my grizzly young money, where you at? 2 tables and a mic, tell a DJ run it back. Bitch, I'm back on my grizzly young money, where you at? 2 tables and a mic, tell a DJ run it back. You ready now? Cut me up, Drew. Cut the music up, baby. Yeah, I'm going in. Bitch, I'm back on my grizzly young money, where you at? If you fuck with young money, where you at? Like the Energizer buddy with a battery pack. Boy, that chopper keep drumming like barada-da-da or barada-bum-bum. And I ain't so young, but I'm a giant like
How's Sydney? That was good, dude. Good. I've been a bit sick all week though. Yeah. Fucking feeling ordinary this morning, eh? I'm pushing through this shit. Like I got pretty pissed on Thursday night, on Friday night. It's so much harder to get better.
What just happened?
Very much is. Just fucking just sending it, eh? If you caught that, I would have been so sick. He doesn't give a fuck, eh? Dude, he's in. They're not gonna play him for a bit.
Maybe we should get to work.
Yeah, you probably should. Let's see what happens here. That's all I want to do. Sweet by 2 o'clock. I'm fucking so cold right now. The winds. It's so warm in Sydney, eh? It's so hot.
Yeah, I bet.
In the sun and shit. It's bone chilling breeze. I'm freezing, dude. Are you cold? Bone chilling.
I don't want to be running away from an emu. I just want to see him run.
Oh, yeah.
I want to see it run full speed, not like just catch up to me.
Yeah. They can go, hey.
That's what I've heard. I want to see it so bad though.
They can fucking go. That looks pretty good. Very good. We haven't done it.
Yeah, I haven't done shit.
Looks real good. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, fuck it. you can just leave shit if you really want to, because it doesn't matter anymore. It'd be sick if I just had this big strap-on thing of a TV in front of me and I was walking around watching the NFL all day. That's fucking stupid, is that? I feel bad. I feel spider. How you going?
Thank you.
No worries.
See you at Fridays?
Yeah.
Alright, see you there.
The Patriots kind of have a tough going at the start though.
Yeah.
I know a lot of sliders are 5%. Like if you want to I reckon if you're about to go out and you're partying and stuff, you get that massive sugar rush. You know what I mean? Like you go a bit you get a lot of energy. You know how growers is just hectic? Inside so dumb, got some money for the weird, if the hurricane come, I'm a fucking shame, huh? Yeah, I know, I go out the country to get all my clothes and my... It's only 2:30, it's not even bad, eh? Fun lap all the way down though, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I go out my way, just to get my dough and my dough, cause I love it more than I love my hoes. Yes, I do. I got gasoline coming out my pores. I'm a torch. I got glasses like that white boy Scott Storch and a Porsche. I got license full of scorch. Snipers at your porch. Rifles by the forts, and we shoot up courts. The judge just a bitch. The jury suck dick. I'm a east side blood. I don't smoke that crip. I smoke that kush. First name Bubba. First name Young, last name Stunner. Card in the office, take notes when I'm talking. Smooth as a cruise boat floats when I'm walking. I boast cause I'm ballin', I'm supposed to be ballin'. When I'm on the phone with bitches, man, the money keep calling. You ain't satisfied till your son will be calling. Telling you where to leave the money in the morning. Okay, you want a zombie movie instead. That's when you walk in your house and everybody dead. Yeah, I could take this shit where I stand, and watch you pussies piss in your pants. You ain't a man, you're a hoe. I can kill him with the flow, and then play the guitar at the fucking funeral. Yeah, big guns, so they drinking big shots. And my gang goes Saddam Hussein, they miss a lot. No Kareem, call me Wayne Chain. I was some, I don't know karate.
Day in, day out. I don't mind I'm happy just missing rails and just hitting the train. It's fun, man. That was wild. So every now and then you think it's going to be fun and then you just land on ice. You know? I'm a snowboard decide. You know how you do that? I love riding like that. No intentions, just see whatever you do, just see what happens.
Yeah.
What I was going to do, man, I was going to do a big cab one off the top there.
Yeah.
And then, but I didn't want to bowl you over.
Oh no, I'm good.
So you can get that, like, so
We'll make it work.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to go, I'll go up here and then I'll like young dolly down the side. You know how he does that shit. A big like cab one tap at the top and then come down.
Okay.
To see what happens.
But after the brain, I kick you out. You niggas act like Tony Romo. No homo when I'm all about my money. I get paid for promo, yeah. I'm the man in this bitch. They say money talks well. I'm the ventriloquist. And if I ever jump, I probably land in your bitch. Boy, that hoe colder than my hand and my wrist. Boy, I'm more cooler than the fan animate. And when I'm done this track, we need a couple bandages. I be with savages and I'm above average. I'm a crazy ass star like a fucking asterisk. You niggas can't see me, I'm on my casket shit. Running so much game, I'm fucking around and lap a bitch. This glove like it's
Luke. I was bigger than I thought I was gonna be. Dude, that was so much bigger than I thought I was gonna be. Oh, I did a second, eh? So funny, man. That was a fucking stitch up. I'll eat off the top of that onto the flat.
Knees alright?
Yeah, no, I think I sprayed the snowboard though. That's just how you snowboard. Give it another go, fuck it.
bro shit. I just bag a bitch, and you know I'm gon' score like Dion after picks. I'm rolling on the bill, she get that morning after dick, and when my
What's going on here? It's a relatively
Yeah, do that!
That was fucking heavy.
came down, guess what I did after it? I pop. It took some Patron shots, I pop. It took some Grey Goose shots, I pop. Yeah.
It's going up to that curve rail, just going, fuck it. That shit, dude. All that training, so good, man. Like,
Your money bitch, and if you niggas won't do it, we chop. And leave you back on the block, we pop cops. And ain't no racks on my block, I got shot. That drill, I got them pills, I got that game. Give it to them hoes and watch them bitches freak away.
Sorry.
Your money bitch, drought 3 in your neck, pussy.
Hurry up on your face.
Like an Adam's apple, nigga. Weezy baby, the guard, amen, gone.
that wasn't as big, but I don't want to break my back. I was a bit weary of like going too far, you know what I mean?
It's important to practice good hygiene, at least if you wanna run with my team. I'm about to get into some shit that I've seen. This fool's breath from it, so that'll melt your ice cream. They say don't say nothing if you just say nice things. Sitting too close to hit my boy like my ice sting. I tried to be subtle, hand him a stick of gum. I was a victim of breath on running his yap about what said he
How many?
Gotta get some gum, gotta get him some. He turned it down, his teeth was brown. Excruciating, boring, it was a new sensation. I had to ask the dope to pass the soap, cause his coat had the slips of crustaceans, or bathrooms in the bus station. He had a can of OE and some raisins. Amazing, head to Tobio, he didn't know. You fragrance. Just as the days went without bathing, he felt manly and not like a maiden. He had one trend and fungus. Said he worked on people's toilets with plungers. Girls not the guy you would want to tongue ya. So guys, take a cue from this little number. You gotta wash your ass if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta brush your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky. You gotta wash your ass if you must. You gotta wash your hair if you must. You gotta brush your teeth if you must, or else you'll be funky.
What do you like? What do I like? I like pizza heaps. My favourite food. If they got a bit of jalapenos in them or something. Well, yeah, you would never put a tortilla on now, eh? It's like a guy's wearing a dress. But back then you're just like, that was fucking gross. I'm gonna study, eh?